Right, I'm now in block number 2 because the other one was that's block number 1. So yeah, check this. Because last time I did block 1 was at night, so I'm guessing it's going to be very similar to that one. Oh, it's absolutely freezing here today. Little mini kitchen, I'm guessing. Guessing this would be like desk area and stuff like that. Desks around the outside, I'm guessing, I don't know. Cool, let's hope I'll go there later. Okay. What's down here? Yeah, toilets again. And then being smashed up. God, makes a change. Every time I get to a building, well, nearly every time, toilets were smashed up. Let's go down here. Yeah, last time these got the cold today. Buildings we used was, I think, about 4 years ago. It's still got the anti-social distancing. I'm guessing it was still up to a couple of years back, but now it's been destroyed. Ready for demolition. Ready for housing. Oh, extremely cold. What that was for. Some sort of siren, I'm guessing. Yeah, empty bottles of alcohol again. Unless I've been in here. There's be a quick tour of this one, because it's identical to block number 1, but it's well worth looking at. You never know what you're going to find. Oh. Yeah, I should have been phone silent a while ago. Damn phone calls. Yeah, that's my office again. I always noticed little holes in the roof and the ceiling. I don't know why they've been put there. Probably people trying to sell copper or something like that. Apart from the usual holes in the ceiling, not bad condition actually. Let's give it a hoover up, put the power back on, water supply back on. Bingo. Fill it with immigrants. There you go. Save the council a lot of money. Repurpose these payers and fill them with immigrants. Can't be that difficult today. Also, I found a lot of batteries everywhere. God knows what they were used for. Probably lighting or something. Oh, they've been in here, haven't they? Wow. Yeah. Season's collapsed. Or vandalism, got no idea, probably the two. Wouldn't be surprised it was vandalism. Yeah, same set of rooms. Let's check it out. We're down here anyway. So might as well get down here. Room 13, unlucky for some. Yeah, they're tiny little rooms. Toilets. See how vandalised they are. Not too bad. Do not use. Shame. Yeah, definitely not too bad. Oh. Yeah, same sort of layout, so that's a storeroom. Storeroom what? Little office up here. Okay. This was used to open. It was used for something. Yep. Check it up here. Best way in is through that door. That's electric. So turn the power off, that automatically opens up. So not very secure. Yeah, same layout, so don't really need to get down here, but please wait. Yeah, disabled toilets. Oh. I'm surprised there's no one actually here apart from me. Kind of crazy, isn't it? I thought there'd be other people exploring this place. No. Oh, okay. Okay, got only like 3 doors in one building, but door going same building into the same room. Another door into the same room, and that's all partitioned off during the day because I've got different the numbers on them. So that's my only guess back in the day. That's ridiculous. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors into the same room. But, you know, could be other smaller rooms inside there. Yeah, more alcohol bottles. Engaged, doubt it. Oh, it's a reception room. It's closed yet. Okay, the reception. Let's have a look at that. Not as big as the other one, but oh, there we go. Okay, pretty neat anyway. Just in case. But yeah, pretty neat building actually. Right, cool, that's it for today. I've done much I can down here. There's not much left actually. So if you'd like to subscribe, like, share, watch, all that kind of malarkey, that'd be really, really cool. Because one thing I love doing is making these videos, so that'd be cool if you could like it, share, and all that kind of stuff. So I'll catch you in the next video.